Hey, you're on film, baby. What do you have to say to that? Big old hand in the way of the camera. Oh, rice cereal and avocado. Good stuff.
Get your hand out of your mouth. Move your hand. Hey, move it. Move it. Put it into the camera?
Yeah. That's what I do these days. I know what that thing is. It's been on my face my whole life. I'm starting to figure it out. I don't know how good our lighting is, but I'll do like another minute here. Coming around. If the lighting's any better this direction. But it's just totally following me. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Why do you open your mouth and everything? Oh, I want more. Oh, this is what we're having. She clears the avocado. I kind of mixed in with the rice cereal after at the end. Ooh, that means it's really good. Well, looking for more. Give me more. Give me more. Can you smile? Yeah. What else do you have to say? We're going to put you on YouTube so all your grandparents and your aunts can watch. Oh, there comes some back out. Whoop, back in. In and out, in and out. In and out. What do you have to say? Hi. We are feeding her at 10:30 tonight because we're awake. And she woke up, and we're hoping this makes her sleep through the night.
Where's her avocados at?
Her avocado's in the fridge. I didn't think she wanted any more. You want to get her some more? Okay, signing off. Do you have anything else to say? Whoops. It's a messy, messy job. Oh, now she's watching Kaya.
Everybody.
Say hi, Kaya. You want to say hi to the camera?
No dog.
Kaya, look at me. His ear is so much better.
Can you eat off Nathan's spoon?
It's a little bit shorter than the other ear, but it's doing so much better. Kaya, look at me. It's like, yeah, whatever. I want some of whatever Mace is having. Okay. Say bye-bye. Oh, yeah, this is messy. No, we usually do it close off, but it's late. Oh yeah, gotta wear clothes when you're on film. Huh. One more smile? Mesa? Mesa. She's staring at the dog. Mesa, one more smile? Oh, no, no more food, more food. Okay. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Yeah, she's an eater. Bye-bye.